In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Chili's gift card balance. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you can quickly and easily find out how much is left on your card. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar and type in Chili's. This is a crucial step because it leads you to the right place to check your card balance. You'll want to make sure you're on an official Chili's website to guarantee the security of your information. Once you've searched for Chili's, the next step is to find and open the correct link. Look for the official Chili's website. It's typically one of the top results, and you can recognize it by its authentic web address. Clicking the correct link ensures that you're on the right track and your information is safe. Now that you're on the official Chili's website, look towards the top left of the page. Here you will find the gift cards section. Clicking on gift cards is essential because it directs you to the specific area of the site where you can manage your gift card details and check your balance. This step is important because it streamlines the entire process. After clicking on the gift cards section, scroll down the page. You will need to find and click on Check Gift Card Balance. This part is straightforward but vital. Scrolling down ensures you see all the available options related to your gift card. Once you find the option, clicking it will bring you to the balance checking page. With that ready, you will see fields to enter your card number and PIN. Carefully enter these details in the respective fields. Ensure there are no typos, as this information needs to be accurate to retrieve your balance. This step is important because entering the correct card number and PIN allows the system to access your card details securely. Next up, after you have entered your card number and PIN, click on the Check Balance button. This action sends your request to the system, which will then process it and display your current gift card balance. You will see your balance appear on the screen shortly after, providing you with the information you need. That's all it takes to check your Chili's gift card balance. Knowing how much is left on your card can help you plan your next visit more effectively. By following these steps, you ensure your transaction is both secure and efficient. Remember, checking your balance regularly helps you keep track of your spending and enjoy your meals without any surprises. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and simple for you.